Hello guys, welcome to my new Android tutorial. And in this tutorial we will see when we click on any list item, then it will open a details screen. So in the last tutorial I covered how to fetch data and show it in a recycler view, and if you didn't see that one, then the link is given in the description below. You can check this one. So in this tutorial, when you click any of the list, then it will open detail screen of that screen of that list. So let's start our custom design first. So you can see here the result. When you click here, you just open the details screen, the image and name and the role. Here you can see any of the item if you click. Okay, so let's start our let's create a activity here. Activity, you can select empty activity and you can give a name. Details activity here, click finish. And come to the main details XML here. Let the Gradle finished. So you can see the Gradle build is finished. So just try to design the detail screen layout, and I'm taking the relative layout here. So inside that I'm taking a linear layout. Match. You can give a gravity to center and make it each center in parent true. So inside that, take a image view here. Image view, you can give a 120 dp height, width and height, give 120 dp. Can give and give a id here, image, and again take a you need to take two text view here. Text view, match, wrap. You can give a text here, that is name appear here. And you need to give the orientation as well. Give orientation vertical, and you can give the gravity, layout gravity center, and can make it a wrap. So again we need to give the id. You can give a name here. Just copy this one. Sorry guys, copy this one. Yeah, you can give a role here, and you can make. Okay, so we just simply design our detail screen. When you click any of the list, then it will show this screen. So let's come inside the adapter class. So you can see here I am just waiting this one. So I'm giving you can see the custom list here. So if you click any of the list, we can be able to see the any of the list, then it will open the next screen. So I am giving the id here already. Give the id here, relative. So when you click on this layout, then it will open the details screen. So here just what you can do, just when you we just initialize the relative layout in the custom in the my view holder class. So when you click on the relative layout holder relative dot set on click listener, and give a event here. So it will start a int activity. So we need to call the intent. Intent is equal to new intent. You can pass the context here, and you need to call the name. You need to give the name of the activity class. So we need to send some data with the intent. So intent dot put extra. You can give a name, image. Which image you wanna give? you wanna send model dot get image, sorry, dot get image. Okay, so the next one we need to send the name as well. Put extra name model dot get player name. Same goes for the role. Intent dot put extra, and you can pass the model dot get player role. You can pass, and at the end you need to call the start activity method, start activity, and pass the intent. So it will call the this screen. It will call. So in that screen we need to fetch the this in this screen we need to fetch all the we need to get the intent. So what we can do here, you need to initialize all these widgets to our details activity. So here we have the one image view, image view, and we have the text view as well, text view name and role. So we need to initialize the image view, find view by id r dot id dot image name id dot, you can pass the name here, and for the role just initialize. Okay, so first of all we need to get the intent. So for to store that value, we are taking string name, can pass player name. For the image, for the role, you can pass, you can give a name player role. So you need to get the intent, like player role is equal to get intent dot get string extra, and need to pass the name here. The key should be same with this with this key. So here same for the player role, is equal to get intent dot get string extra, and you can call the role here. Okay, so for the image, basically we are sending we are in the model class we took image as a integer. So in the details screen we need to int like image can, and we are getting the int image is equal to get, we need to call the get intent dot get int extra, and you need to pass the key here. You need to pass the key, that is image, and you need to call the one value, pass default value you need to pass. Okay, so we already got the here in the player name role, we'll get all the name, role, and the image. So you need to set the name, role, image in this image view and text view. So image view, so if you set the player role, so name dot set text, which once we want to set player name, and again you can set role as a role dot set text player role, and for the image you need to call image view, sorry, image view dot set image resource, you need to send which resource, then image you can set. So let's try to run this application. So what we did here, just we are passing the we are passing all the details, all the image name role with the intent. Then in that screen we are getting all the values and setting the values with the with the get intent, which already we are getting from the custom adapter. So this is quite basically simple things to do. So you need to follow with the model class. So here we are pass click event, then sending the get model.get image, so it will fetch the respected list image and send it to the next screen. So let's try to run this, let's try to see the result here. Okay, it is starting the application. Okay, so when you click any of the list, then you can see, yeah, name Virat Kohli and the image, the role, any of the list you can click, then you can see the result, respected result with this. So guys, this one is very quite simple example. So if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.